How long have we been waiting here now? He ain't coming. Patience, patience, my good man. It would be just like our friend to be fashionably late. Well, I don't see what's so funny about it. It's bloody freezing out here. And I thought you'd be used to such temperatures. This is all just one big joke to you, ain't it? Well, I'm out of here. I've had enough of this. Ah, perfect timing. Good to see you, old friend. Nothing quite like arriving in style, is there?
Let's make this quick. I don't have all night.
And you're acting like we don't enjoy each other's company. Oh, God. Ugh. Excuse me if I don't shed a tear, won't ya? What are you waiting for? Finish him off! What, and break up this reunion so soon? I don't think so.
You told me you were giving yourself up.
I may have told a teeny tiny little lie there.
This is not what we agreed.
Give us it here. I'll do it myself. You told me he wasn't gonna fight back. Oh, he is a feisty one though, isn't he? I can't keep a leash on him.
This wasn't the plan, Joker.
I think I'm going to be leaving now. And leave you alone for a little playtime. Oh, and just before I go, in case I forget, I break this entire building to blow. You've got about 30 seconds.
You're insane.
So they tell me. Bye-bye now. You tricked me, you bastard!
He sealed all the exits. We're trapped in here. There's no way out of here, Copperpot. It's just me and you.
No, I'm not staying here with you. That wasn't supposed to happen. Let go of me.
Can I be of any assistance, Mr. Wayne?
Perfect timing. We're leaving.